as frost where shadows align. A cat in the Kremlin biding his time. Eyes of ice through the hunter's gaze, putting the feline in the winter's haze. Putting the prowlers are in the dark. A cat of ambition with claws that leave marks. Through silence and steel his kingdom takes form. A shadow eternal, the eye of the storm. From the tundra's edge to Moscow's spires, he stalks unseen where power conspires. A whisper, a growl in the corridors deep. His paw prints linger where the weary sleep. Ooh, ooh. In palaces cold, his throne set in stone. A cat's quiet rule in a world overthrown. From whispers of exile to oligarchs' fall, he watches unmoving, the master of all. Putin the prudent, the prowlers are in the dark. A cat of ambition, with claws that leave marks. Through silence and steel, his kingdom takes form. A shadow eternal, the eye of the storm. 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 The tundra's edge to Moscow's spires, he stalks unseen where power conspires. A whisper, a growl in the corridors deep. His paw prints linger where the weary sleep. From the tundra's edge to Moscow's spires, he stalks unseen where power conspires. A whisper, a growl in the corridors deep. His paw prints linger where the weary sleep. In palaces cold, his throne set in stone. The cat's quiet rule in a world overthrown. From whispers of exile to oligarchs' fall, he watches unmoving, the master of all. Putin the prudent, the prowlers are in the dark. A cat of ambition, with claws that leave marks. Through silence and steel, his kingdom takes form. A shadow eternal, the eye of the storm. In palaces cold, his throne set in stone. A cat's quiet rule, in a world overthrown. From whispers of exile to oligarchs' fall, he watches unmoving, the master of all. The master of all. Ooh, the master of all. The master of all. Now the snow falls, but he never fades. A ghost in the frost, in history's maze. Putting the feline, the tyrants in fur. A legend of power, with a sinister purr. A legend of power, with a sinister purr. With a sinister purr. Ooh, the eye of the storm.